Alright, so we got a couple tips here for cutting out the top view of your CO2 car. First off, before I forget, in the booklet, it doesn't emphasize putting the top view on the bottom of the car. So when you guys do get to that point, make sure you put the top view, glue the top view or rubber band the top view on the bottom of the car. The reason is the top is at an angle, so it actually is longer than the pattern that you made. Okay. On the web quest, we talked about symmetry and why that's important on the car. Just a quick review. If your car is not symmetrical, like this one you can see, it's going to be heavier on one side of the car, and then it's going to want to pull one way. So you can see this line right down the middle here is the line of symmetry. And you can see that this side of the car actually passes through the line of symmetry. So this is hopefully a good visual for you to understand what it means to be not symmetrical. This one is absolutely symmetrical. I made it using this CAD program that I have, and I mirrored this side of the car about this line of symmetry. So the trick to doing this when you guys are cutting out your pattern is pretty simple. Go back to when you were probably in kindergarten and you made snowflakes and you folded them up a bunch of ways, and then you cut out one side of it and then you opened it up and you had a bunch of symmetrical shapes. This is no different. So when you guys drew your final sketches, your final car design, you probably didn't pay too much attention to having this side of the car exactly the same distance from the center of the car, from your center line. Easy way to do this. Even though you have both sides drawn right now, pick the one you like the best, and you're going to simply cut out the rectangle like this with scissors. Okay? You're going to find the middle, so you're going to have to measure. You're going to have to mark it here. It should be 21 millimeters in from either edge. Okay? And that's going to be the line that you fold the paper in half on. And then you're going to just simply cut out one side that you like better, whatever one you drew better, whatever one you like the pattern better, and then you're going to cut it out with scissors, and then when you fold it back open, it's going to be symmetrical. So then I'm going to show you here. When you guys cut this out, it is going to look like this from the bottom view. Rotate it here. Okay, and then 3D view, it's going to look like that. Okay, so this is why having a line of symmetry or having your car, your top view be symmetrical is important. Once again, it's so that the car doesn't lean or steer in one direction.